In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Meta Business Suite notification settings. Meta Business Suite is where you manage notifications for both your Facebook page and your Instagram account in one place. Getting these notifications right can really help you stay on top of messages, comments, and updates without feeling overwhelmed or distracted. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can customize things to suit the way you like to work. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by going to the Business Suite URL or by accessing it from your Facebook page and choosing to manage it in Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you've selected the business or page you want to adjust notifications for. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. In that left-hand column, find and click on Notifications. This will open a dedicated section that shows all the latest activity linked to your Facebook and Instagram, such as comments, messages, likes, and other alerts. Inside the notifications section, move your eyes to the top right corner of that same left column. You should see a small gear icon there. This gear is the shortcut to your notification settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the full list of options you can control. After clicking the gear, you'll see various toggles that you can turn on or off. These typically cover things like comments, suggestions, announcements, and other types of communications from Meta. Take a moment to read through each option carefully. If there are types of notifications that distract you or aren't useful, switch those off. If there are important alerts you never want to miss, like comments on your posts or important announcements, make sure those are switched on. The idea is to strike a balance between staying informed and not being flooded with constant alerts. You'll also notice that within these notification settings, there are separate sections for Facebook and Instagram. To adjust the Instagram side of things, click on the Instagram option. This will switch the view so that you're editing notification settings specifically for your connected Instagram account instead of your Facebook page. Make any changes you need there using the same toggle switches. When you're done with Instagram and want to go back to your Facebook notification settings, simply click on Facebook again. This will switch you back so you can double check or refine your Facebook notifications. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep Meta Business Suite notifications organized and tailored to your needs, helping you respond faster while cutting